Ring light. Be nice to me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, 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 hey. How you doing today? Hey my natural beauties, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you guys. It's going to be a get ready with me. Like, it's going to be a makeup tutorial, but like I'm gonna be having these bum-ass tracks in the background. So it's gonna be one of the makeup and vibes type video. I'm thinking I should make that a thing. Makeup and vibes. That's so nice. Yeah, me like that. So we're probably gonna be doing that now. It's probably going to be a thing. Okay. In this makeup and vibe video, I recently found out about some dope ass tracks that I want you guys to check out. Y'all know. Support my brother them, support my sister them. Like, guys, I know some dope ass people. I always say this, and when I know them from a long time, I meet them, and I'm just grateful because this year has brought a lot of really cool people into my life. Alright? So some of them I know from last year, some stuff, but you know, I know a whole heap of talented people. Before the year done, I just garner more and more talent in my circle. I'm like that. So it's all about love, you guys. Just motivate other people, show love, because that's the only way the world go around. And yeah, check out the track them, watch the tutorial, enjoy the vibes, you know what I mean? I'm going to be telling you guys what products I'm using, and I'm going to try my best to remember this time to put the product list in the description bar. Alright, so subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that subscribe button right now and thumbs up the video before we even get started. Before I forget, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter at NaturallyMsToya. Y'all want to see how I created this beat? Stay tuned. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna shut up now. See y'all in the next one. Stay tuned for the tutorial, and yeah, so come.
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. Now when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
I'll just get into it. As I told y'all, I'm gonna be playing some songs, you know, that I want you guys to hear. Today is Friday, you know, with the Samika vibes. Please excuse the hair. I'm using my audio pet. I bought this on Amazon for Marla. So technically, I'm my audio pet. It's Marla's audio pet, see? I look a Bluetooth speaker, pretty loud. So I'm gonna just connect it to my phone right quick. My audio pet 5.0. I'm drinking my cranberry juice and Smirnoff apple vodka. I fried it, guys. So in the background, I'm gonna be playing some dope ass tracks for you guys. As always, I wanted this to be a vibes video. A video where we build some vibes, you know what I mean? Alright, so one plug before I begin. I'm gonna be oiling up with my Glossy Glow scented coconut oil. Guys, this shit is live. When I was away, this thing saved me so many times. So I have enough left and it lasts long. I got this so long ago. But yeah. Y'all see that? Hydrating as hell because my girl I dry differently. I always dry. This helps me. Y'all should check out Glossy Glow on Instagram. Alright? So just stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the video. Feel free to thumbs up the video at any point in time. Yeah. I'll just check in with you guys at the end. Gang, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Thumbs up the video. And follow me on Instagram. You see me? All the artists that I feature in this video, their info is going to be in the description bar as always. So go check them out. Show my brother them some love. And I'm going to put a song by my girl Latoya came down there as well. I want to listen to that track there. Alright? Boom.
Da da da, one up, judgment. Da 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 da, da da da, one up, yeah. Car 624, so a street one up. One judgment, we no take bad up. Everywhere me go on, every hand I one up. Watch the girl, the coombs are tune, turn up. This are for my sisters and all my brothers. Free smart and go collect the cheddar. Members say we are leaders, so make them follow. How we know if you do better, so you know we gonna. As a baller, you have to know when it's over. Cruise and wait for the traffic. We don't enough take shortcut and shop in the mall. But me stay focused and stuck in the sun. No misquote with you, we say that we bad. Be antidote, we make a deal. One judgment, do the right, that is the job. Everything paid off, fox the assets we have. We not race with them. One. Me now waste my time and I watch your life now. Me have to work for mine, me no care who wants to be bossy and hype. Never see them when me did a struggle work side. Know me life alright. One judgment life. We things to work hard for them. Never hang out with cheese like ornament. I know waste people, me no want see them. Them a Japan currency, me no want see end. Devalue themselves, no call me friend. Blessings are chump left, right and center. The realest people have the highest temper. No call me no craft, that I know me agenda. I just hype on for you, me see them a run down. Youths nowadays, them not got no love. Life is a party when you all young, but when you walk out when the party undone. Cost money why you make you take it by gun. Left mama balling for your one son. But you never know what judgment there come. Now I hear time now, but me the race with them. One. Home if you waste my time and I watch your life now. No, me no care who wants me bossy and hype. Never see them when me hustle on the work side. Know me life alright. One judgment life. Me the race with them. No. Me the race with them. No. But me the race with them. One judgment. The love. We the race with them. No. But me the. They say me the. No. Me the. No. Me the race with them. No. Judgment. The love. We the race with them. No, we the race with them. No race with them. No. No race with them. No race with them. No race with them. No race with them. One judgment. No race with them. No say the love. No race with them. We don't have no time to go waste with them. We don't no. We not race with them.
Get your head straight. I'm not here for your remedy, get your head straight. I got mids, I'm so freaking clean, I'm in gee state. All my dogs, they want up a G, never B state. Double fisting, I'm twisting, now I can see straight. Ooh, the vibes got me feeling right, that's that sensei. When I step, leave them bloody red like that menstruate. And you know, commas never does, that's the template. We now will no meds if you no med straight. He's so freaking cool, he my ski mate. When we turning up, we gon' leave late. Kiss my forehead, squeeze my ass, that's the shit I appreciate. Live as though you know it's meaningful, now abbreviate. Lottie Kim, Gee Steak. For Pete's sake, I don't wanna feel hate. Live as though you know it's meaningful, now abbreviate. Got that drippy drip like I'm wet paint. You can see the view, that's an estate. Then I level up, give a next state. I just call them out, callin' champ mate. If I'ma do it properly. Them say me immaculate, I may say them accurate. You gotta be patient for greatness, yeah, you gotta wait. Cause we no pirate, don't have academic accolade. Type genius, man a genius. Them never do believe till them seen us. Never step in our shoes, never been us. Cause we a fly and I soar like Phoenix. Type genius, me a genius. Pour my heart, me a scorch like Venus. My style stand out like C-Cup. Now keep your head down, keep the dream up. Steak. For Pete's sake, I don't wanna feel hate. Live as though you know it's meaningful, now abbreviate. Get your head straight. Get your head straight. I'm not here for your remedy.
Come on, I do my money dance, watch me do my money dance. Yeah, I got 100 grand, yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some, I do my money dance, watch me do my money dance. Yeah, I got 100 grand, yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some 100 grand, 100 grand. I hope y'all niggas understand that the money's hard to make, so you better have another plan. Or you gotta have another hand up in this game called life when the day turns night. Some niggas wanna take your stripe like a baseball strike. Niggas wanna pay for this life. Some niggas wanna pay for the hype. Yeah, I got some jewelry on me, and everybody's looking like they shooters on me. Fuck you talking about, nigga, you know you owe me. Fuck this loyalty, nigga, you gotta show me. And the status is on me. Money making habits and back on my jet. Gotta meet up with my Cuban connects. Gotta make sure that my link is legit. I do my money dance, watch me do my money dance. Yeah, I got 100 grand, yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some, I do my money dance, watch me do my money dance. Yeah, I got 100 grand, yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some.
Jaffy stacker, so we deep, look how we drippy. Out in the street, your self feet are nothing pretty. Design up on my feet, in my jeans, but talk the blicky. Money make you suck it like a sweetie, so she pretty. Watch ya, a rich nigga, but my grind like my broke. 6 figure on the car, pile it up. Niggas like for try sizing up. No matter when I do like when I search ya. Yeah, that crew, we clean to the bone. Just chop a food, that's how we do it powerful. Girl, I get nude, I want to eat on the cone. Man, I make moves, that's how we do it on my own, yeah. Wanna dance to the bank, so we do it. Every day so clean on the street. Tell them not grow.
I do my money dance, watch me do my money dance. Yeah, I got 100 grand, yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some, I do my money dance, watch me do my money dance. Yeah, I got 100 grand, yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some. Rubbing my hands like the bees do. You like a hologram, we can see through. I turn your bitches into followers. Shorty hit me on the gram, yeah, I acknowledge ya. Skinny nigga, but I'm packing all this weight though. The money's coming, so I need a bigger plate. On second thought, I think I need a bigger plane, because my crew's getting bigger by the day. Yeah, I got some jewelry on me. I'm bagging up this money like I'm Scooter Bronze. I'm popping champagne in the streets of Milan. If you ain't talking about money, my nigga, I'm gone. Ain't no salary caps. Weekends in Jamaica bring battery packs. This money coming in, I gotta relax. Doing the money dance, I'm counting my checks. I do my money dance, watch me do my money dance. Yeah, I got 100 grand, yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some, I do my money dance, watch me do my money dance. Yeah, I got 100 grand, yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some rubber bands. Yeah, I got some.
Yeah. Judgment. Yeah. Meds no buck like a rain, nothing louder than echo. Destruction of property, mash up your stereo. Long time me a hold it, oh me feel it go. Did I get a fight, but we conquer the devil, yeah. Me no lay down on a stretcher. Not even mountain can tell me none about pressure. Never see no friend nor no girl, just my brothers. Never go to up me there, so because of prayer. Chaps tell me, them a ask me man there. Them a lurk, me no pick them up and feel me antenna. Never see them when me harvest, not the weather. You will lose your one, so no take off for the brother. I can't like Ojo Mandela. Never do it like night, no me do it better. Dead face, just a laugh. The road, where do the better. Hustle and no stay one place, don't dream we are. One done, we no see no other manner. Action, we no in a bagga bagga. More chat if a database, you know about the real estate. We are pre-stack it up in the law. One done, we no see no other manner. Action, we no in a bagga bagga. More chat if a database, you know about the real estate. We are real hustle and no stay one place. And we no sleep on base. Cause when pot empty, food a figure only money can heal that pain. So me take on the road well early like taxi. Driver don't left no trace for the cops. Spotless link up a beer for the drop. Shoot it just call say them import some fat whips. As a hustler you have to make your money back. Flip live off a paycheck and say them gon' flap with. Any gambling quid, she have to match me. She have to can buy a few tire for the Voxy. Every hustler make your money back flip. Yeah, so how them gon' stop with? Any gambling quid, she have to match me. She have to can buy a few tire for the Voxy. We are one done. We no see no other manner. Action, we no in a bagga bagga. More chat if a database in a bother. Real estate, no pedala. One done, we no see no other manner. Action, we no in a bagga bagga. More chat, real estate, we a break up in a pedala. Judgment, we are one done. We are one done. Combs, we are one done. We no see no other manner. Cause we are. We are. We are. One done. One done. One done. We no see no other manner. Judgment, one done.
Branch out. You know it's Devlin Strat. And we representing Crow Records. May I talk to the youths them, you know? Instead of looking at 100 reasons to quit, look at 1,000 reasons never to give up. You gotta be brave to survive like the fittest when there's no one to help. Branch out and say I hate this. You gotta believe in yourself and your dreams. Set your mind to achieve, cause it's not hard as it seems. You gotta be brave to survive like the fittest when there's no one to help. Branch out and say I hate this. You gotta believe in yourself and your dreams. Tell yourself say you're great, no bother wait till it late, nah nah. Enough time they might not feel up, but don't give up. No why you stay tough. Life may rough, but you just want to hold it close. If you focus and be serious, if you really want the goal, stand firm, branch out, a man fi hold. Be the master of your destiny. In your hand you have the control. Everything is all on you now. Gotta work towards your dream, no time for cool out. Yeah, if you don't chase your dreams then you'll be always thinking, what the hell am I to do now? You gotta be brave to survive like the fittest when there's no one to help. Branch out and say I hate this. You gotta believe in yourself and your dreams. Set your mind to achieve, cause it's not hard as it seems. You gotta be brave to survive like the fittest when there's no one to help. Branch out and say I hate this. You gotta believe in yourself and your dreams. Tell yourself say you're great, no bother wait till it late, nah nah. Rise to the occasion, seize the opportunities. Now make it past the light the breeze. We all working for a better future, for the life of we kids. Gotta make it a better place, branch right to the rise of the human race. Can't be afraid in a life if you're brave. Go get a goal, don't procrastinate. Remember upon the journey that there's no quitting, so go on holy faith. Cause I saw the fight always come to you sudden as soon as you start to live. Gotta be brave to survive.
Alright babe, so the face is finished. Guys, that one crease, yeah, I swear, I don't know, eczema. Oh my god, eczema ruined my life. So I just threw my hair back in this little bun. Can you guys tell me that I struggle with my friggin' ring light? Like, I don't know what it is about this ring light, especially in the daytime. Sometimes you know you need it, but my curtains are really thick. So I'm just trying to find a space that works for me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, y'all already know what to do. Hit the thumbs up button. Go ahead, share this video with a friend. You know, let's hold a vibe. And my phone nose ring, guys. what would I do without this thing? Because you get the look without having to pierce your nose. And I think I did mention I'm gonna be doing this when I turn 30. Yeah, to reinvent myself. This blue glitter, shiny place. Like, ooh, makeup up on my hand. Ew. Hold on, clean that off. All right, so this blue glitter here. Okay. Anything else after this I got steer. So this blue glitter here I got from this I bought this. I can't be great. I want them today. No. Okay, so this blue glitter here I got from this Chinese store. I'm gonna get like a whole heap of them. Like this shit. I still trying to figure out how to make this thing autofocus or even focus when I touch it, but it not work. It not really have no brand name. It just say Italia. Yeah, Italia Deluxe Glitter Eyeliner. And I've had them for approximately 2 years and them still a dry out. So I tried some of the new NYX butter glosses. Not new, they're new to me because I never have them all along. So I ended up using creme brulee. I tried tiramisu at first. Tiramisu, yeah. I tried this one at first, but it was too pink. This one gave me more of a nude vibe, so I'm used that one I name creme brulee. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, hit subscribe, follow me on IG, and them look at sing there and sing there. Like, I love this. Look at us. So cute. Thanks for watching, babes. I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned. Come on, just like drop them upon boom, 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 boom. Alright, so be ready. I love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful.